So, one of the important parts of remembering when you're trying to affect your sleep is that sleep is a behavior and therefore subject to behavioral interventions. And what I mean by that is it's not like you can just memorize something and then it's there forever, where sleeping is much more like learning a skill. So, if you recall when you first learned to write with your hand, right, first you did the gross motor skills and then the fine motor skills. So, you learned the big parts first, and then you kind of refined it over time. So, as you look through the sleep hygiene paperwork, decide which ones are the big ones for you, the first things you want to change. So, when you first learn to write, you learn one part at a time, and then you practice one part at a time, and then over time you put it all together. So, choose one or two hygiene topics that you want to work on and start there. So, in in changing behavior, you're trying to use shaping strategies. So, what that means is you're not going to get it perfectly right. You're going to do the best you can, and then you're going to look at it and determine what you could do better and then identify the skill. So, at this point, you're choosing an option, making the change, and seeing what happens. And then at which point we'll discuss it further to identify what potential other changes you can make.